Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this mind-blowing DIY tutorial, I will show you a super easy way to make very beautiful woolen flower using hair comb. Please grab 2 colors of wool and dive into the tutorial. As you saw, I counted out 8 teeth from the hair comb. Then I wrap the first color of wool right there for 5 lines. Now count out 6 teeth from the comb and wrap the second color of wool there 4 lines. From the middle of the comb, tie and secure the first color of wool, then wrap the wool around 10 times. At this point, pull the woolen design out from the comb and sew to form round shape. When you are done with that, make the little pieces 5 and join them together to make very beautiful flower. Please, my viewers, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more videos. Attach a medium-sized bead at the middle to make the flower seamless. Thanks so much for watching. See you all soon.